Ella, please don't do this. Is it because I'm not getting a ration, that's why you want to go? You want to leave me, Ella? Is it fair? It's not fair now. Please don't go. Don't do this to me, please. Please.
This is what you keep saying every time. Wait, I don't understand. Is it that you don't find me sexually attractive? No. Or that you have a problem down there? Really? Oh God. Anayo.
Ella, just do it one more time, it will stand.
Oh, it will stand. I have practically romanced and kissed you for more than 30 minutes. Yet, nothing to show for it. You're telling me that it will stand. How long do you want me to romance you before you experience sexual urge? How long? A whole day? You want me to do that for the whole day, really? Please, I am so tired of this. I'm tired of it.
Ella, please. Babe, please don't do this. You can't be tired now. Okay? You know I love you. Let's do this. It's all about sex. There's more to relationship than sex.
Well, sex is the shock absorber in a relationship between a man and a woman. Yes, I am a woman and I want you to make me feel like a real woman. Make love to me. Yes, make love to me. I want you to shake me. I want to mourn when you... I want you to make me scream your name while you hit me faster and harder. Is it too much for me to ask?
No.
Is it too much?
No.
See, I know you give me money, yes. But money is not everything. Money cannot make me wet. Money cannot satisfy me sexually. Can't you see? It's fine. You just have to go and fix yourself down there because I will just walk out of this relationship. And I mean it.
Ella, okay, I admit I have medical problem. Okay? I admit it. But I've been to several hospitals in this town and they keep saying one thing. That I have no problem. That nothing is wrong with me.
Anayo, you are a prince of a great kingdom. I mean, your problem might just be from your home. I think you should just go back home and make inquiries. Maybe your ancestors or the gods of your land can just have solution to this problem. And when that is done, you can call me. I'll be right here.
Ella.
It's my trying time. It's happening to me.
I need to go.
Don't go now.
Please, I need to go.
Please don't do this to me, baby. Don't do this to me, please. No.
I'm sorry. It's obvious I shouldn't be here this time. It's the wrong time to be here. I'm sorry.
What's your problem? Why didn't you knock before coming in? Huh?
But, my prince, I can't remember the last time I knocked before entering your house. But it's fine. I understand. It's the wrong time to be here. I have to go. I'll call you.
No, Felix, it's okay. You can stay. Please don't leave. I was already on my way out, okay? You can just I'm leaving.
My friends, I'm sorry. It's a wrong time to me. I'm sorry. Sorry, please.
It's okay. Just make yourself comfortable. Let me change to something nice.
Mbaikporogo kuzananyo iburu chanyo. 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 Mbaikporogo kuzananyo iburu chanyo.
Mbaikporogo kuzananyo.
You be witch or wizard. Come up for here. Ọsị ịbụkwa ọmụsụ. Gawado. If you know say you be witch or wizard, this is your last chance. Come up for here now. Ọsị ịbụrụ ọmụsụ. Gawado. Okay. That means everybody wey dey here dey support Igbo ministry. No be so? Okay. In that case, offering time. Offering time. Okay. Anything where you carry come, put am for here.
Cheers, man.
Yeah. My prince. What's going on? I don't really get what just happened now. I hope you don't beg Ella before you sleep with her.
Me.
Yeah, because her reaction.
Me. Beg Ella. How can you say a thing like that? No, she was actually begging me, because of the way I rough-handed her. Yeah. So she couldn't just stand it. She took off. She was telling me that I don't get tired easily. She was screaming, begging. Prince, if you go one more, you're gonna kill me.
Hey!
Prince, please stop.
Okay, that is my prince. What are we talking about? Man, I know why she left angrily. Hey! She couldn't withstand it. She couldn't stand the heat or could the over.
She couldn't just stand me at all. I've been very hot. I've been very hot.
Hey!
Do you understand? Prince is too much. She was begging me. There's this saying that says, if you can't stand the heat,
you get out of the kitchen. See in a kitchen, pour pressure pot. Pressure pot.
You can say that again.
I praise you a strong man. No dog get proper again. This is how it should be. You see these girls, you don't take it easy with them. You don't go easy on them at all. Any opportunity you have to hit them, fire down, no wasting of time. See these girls there, if you don't hit them that hard, when they go out there, they will tell people, you see that guy, that's a 1 minute man. That guy does not last.
They will just talk rubbish about
my brother. But when you hit them hard, when you give them that diagonal hit with your propeller, my brother, hey, anywhere they see you, okay. Odogu.
You need to see how she was begging me.
I can't
Please, you don't get tired.
Stop.
Before I knew it,
Hey!
she ran off.
Hello, sir. How are you doing today?
Yeah, I'm fine.
And how is business?
That I'm fine, and how is their kingdom?
The kingdom is doing great. There is very important I am looking at you returning by weekend, probably. It's not something we discuss extensively.
Okay, okay. No problem. I'll be there by weekend. I'll come.
Oh, that's my son. I'll be expecting you by weekend. You have a nice day.
Bye, sir.
I guess that was your dad. He needs you back home.
Yeah. He wants to discuss something with me, so I'll be traveling by weekend.
Oh, are you serious?
Yeah.
Huh? No flexing this weekend now. I go there alone.
You still want to drink?
No, I'm fine. I'm even about leaving, I just came into your estate now to make some supplies,
I'll see you off. Let me go and see you.
I have to go now.
Mom. Yes, mother. Where did you say your sister went to? Mama, she went to perform at the village square. How can she open another ministry while I'm still alive? Instead of her to come and join us here, she went ahead and opened her own ministry, and she's performing at the village square.
But Mama, this ministry gives her money. She has created a lot of fame for herself with that ministry. So I understand why she's not here with us.
Only a foolish man will think that he can outshine his master. Ibobo. Ibobo. Don't push me.
What is happening here? Enya, what are you waiting for? Go and drop your own money there. Fast.
I did not come with money today.
When I said all the witches and wizards, go hear them.
But I'm not a witch nor a wizard.
See, make I tell you, anybody will not support Ibobo ministry with that person is a witch or a wizard.
See, don't call me a winch. Don't just call me a winch. Don't call me winch. I don't have money.
Come, you won't make I tear you slap. You the craze. I be your mama make. I go. Come, you won't make I turn you to chicken. Christmas chicken for here. You don't mind?
Hey, but what's all this now? Must we always give you money when we come here? I don't have money today. I don't have money.
Hey, will you shut up, you little rat? In Apwala. Huh? If you know you don't support Ibobo ministry, why are you here?
Bro, say I love to watch her dance. I love her performance. That's why I'm here. Now don't force me to give money. Can't be your problem. Mama, you can watch it.
Oh, so I don't become mad woman. Where go they perform? You go come watch out for free, no be so. You went to Nefu.
Oneku! Ibobole!
Nefu, One.
We are living in fear. Onyegi kulanyo, onyega zaputanyo, Ibo mebwanyo. She got the power. She says she is the chosen one. Obodo be your joy, the fear of evil.
We all aware that the festival is fast.
Greetings, Your Highness. Marital, I greet you. Something terrible just happened at the village square. Ibobo, daughter of Oima, just turned the son of this land into a fowl. Just because he didn't didn't give her money.
What? How can you say a thing like that? Even her mother, Oyuma, never punished any of her debtors in this kind of way.
No, Your Majesty. The boy that she turned into fowl is not her debtor. The boy is not owing her. Just that the boy attended her Ibobo's ministry and refused to donate his own offering. That's why she did that.
What? What do you mean by the boy attended Ibobo's ministry? Does Ibobo have her own ministry?
Exactly what I was about to ask. How can Ibobo have a ministry of her own when the mother is still alive?
Aniago. Aniago.
Your Majesty,
I want to see Ibobo now.
your wish is law, and your law must be obeyed.
We are living in fear.
You came up. We have a job to accomplish. So follow me.
She got the power. She says she is the chosen one. Obodo be no joy, the fear of people. Jay, she is mean. Fesa kukwefena eyo hai. Obodo bakwanon, Ibo puno no bonoi. Ibo bibwanyo. Jay, the mado busy no joy.
You're actually on their way going to arrest Ibobo. The king and the elders were disappointed when I told them what Ibobo did.
Very good. Let them arrest that wicked girl. Her own is too much. Ogunudu.
See, let's look at this the other way. Ibobo has always said it. Nobody with that office should not come to her place. Why would that boy go to her ministry with that money now?
If that young boy were your brother, would you have said the same thing?
If that young boy was to be my brother, I would have told him to avoid Ibobo's ministry. That girl is into business. See, she dances for them. She does some magic. Come on, she deserves to be paid now. If you're the one, you will still need money. So, anybody that does not have money should not go to her ministry. It's as simple as that. It's not difficult now.
So you're now wiser than the king and the elders that ruled out that what Ibobo did was wrong by turning that boy into a fowl. Do you know your problem? You take pleasure in standing against the truth. Excuse me.
Well, you guys are taking this personal. You're combining emotions and being realistic. Business is business. Nobody
You mind your business. You talk too much. Mind your business. Cho 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 cho. Radio without battery. Mind your business.
Are they not paying you in this palace? Are you not doing business and they're paying you? If you don't have money, don't go to her. It will still turn you to cockroach. You go to her ministry without money.
The mado busy no joy. We are living.
Na me be the abortion pill where they give belle.
Omeri, how did that possible? Wayo, digital.
Na me be the rabbit with the key hunter.
Omeri, how the confusing. Wayo.
Na me be the deaf and dumb where they win singing competition.
Oh no, we want a Grammy Award! Omeri, how did that possible? The more you look, the less you see. The more you look, the less you see. The more you look, the less you see.
He be bakalele science.
How? Wayo. doings. Bread and tea doings. Then get juju. Then get juju. Then get juju. Then get juju. Oh yeah, come on, body job. Come on, body job.
How dare you? How dare you double cross people earlier like that? Are you mad? Are you mad?
We're ordered by the king to bring you to the palace immediately.
Oh, the king sent you. Really? Who are you forming muscle for? Who are you raising shoulders for? Make you in a cool. Eh? Do you know that I can just point my staff at you and you will deflate like tire? Oh, the king sent you on an errand. Instead of you to run the errand like a sensible person with your senses, you decided to come here and drink gra for Igbo Bakalia. Do you know I can kill you? Do you know that? If I kill you, what happens to your family? Have you thought about it? How much? How much do you think the king will compensate your family with? And you're here playing with your life. If you know what is good for you, Bawa, get out of here. When I am ready, I will go and see the king.
Stop. It is an order. You must come with us.
Come and force me. Therefore, from no, carry me, let me see.
Don't go anywhere.
Electric shock in the Abube. Ibo Bakaligo. Ibo Bakaligo. Ibo Bakaligo. Ibo Bakaligo. Mba. Go and carry her. Mba. Carry her now.
Stop there. If we can go with you, then we'll go with him.
You take this? Don't fire you.
Move him.
Move him fast. Yeah, you know. Move him. Yeah.
Move him.
Ibo. That's all. Now, Mama was watching so. Put him inside. You will see. What's up? You will see. No problem.
Please save my brother. Please don't let him to die. He's the only brother I have.
Young woman, I do not accept gifts for jobs I've not done. Go home and bring your brother. By the will of the gods, he will be healed. Then you can bring your gifts and thank the gods of our land.
This chicken is my brother. It's not a gift. Ibobo turned my brother into a chicken.
What? Ibobo did what?
Yes, we are at the village square enjoying the performance of Ibobo. Then when it was time for offering, my brother did not have any money to put in the offering bowl. Then Ibobo got angry and turned my brother into a chicken.
Follow me.
Ibobo no no bonuoi. Ibobo buanyo. Jai,
Thank you very much. I'll just go and bring some money or gift. Thank you.
You don't need to bring any gift. Huh? Your brother wasn't sick. It was my sister that told him to check in. This is our own way of saying sorry and dissociate ourselves from our evil activities.
We apologize for what my daughter did.
Thank you. I'm grateful. Thank you so much. Thank you. I'm grateful. Thank you.
What is wrong with Ibobo?
Mother, power, fame, and money. These three things intoxicate human being more than alcohol. It only takes emotional intelligence for someone to have these three things and still behave normal.
We are living in fear.
That car will never start until you bring 247 down from it, and that is an order.
Are you aware that is an order from the king?
Do you know you are challenging the order of the king? Do you know the consequences of your action?
Shut up! Just shut your mouth. What do you know about consequences? Do you know the consequences of trying to arrest Ibobo Akalia? Or are you not aware that I am the chosen one, ordained by the gods to take over from the community priestess once she joins her ancestors? Do you know the office I occupy and yet to occupy? And you are here playing with your life. Now listen to me. If you value your life, or you value anybody for that matter, get out of here. Go home and tell the king what you saw. And the next time you try to use force on me or my servant, I will grind you with a spiritual machine.
Hey, Dola! Come on, get away from here! I'm walking up. Come on, man. Mad people everywhere. Idiot.
I greet you, Ibobo the Great One.
AGK. You know they give me bushmeat now. Now my brother and they give bushmeat. But now I no be any problem at all. That one no go make me see wetin go harm you. I no go tell you. Just because say you know they give me bushmeat. Mba you know pure. I go tell you. Aye. AGK. Your life is in danger. Ibobo. Yes, your life is in danger.
Ibobo, what danger are you talking about?
You see that antelope? That big antelope that you killed last month? The one you ate with my brother. Can you remember?
Yes, I remember.
Mm-hmm.
You didn't come on time, that's why you didn't meet any.
I beg you, come out there. No, they talk that kind of nonsense where I did. If to say una won't keep antelope for me, una for come out like 5 or 6 pieces pieces keep aside before una dey chook hand inside the chop. So una be no one give me. But leave am. That one not even be the problem. It will not be the problem at all. You see that antelope where you and my brother chop? That antelope na the daughter of the spirit that guides the forest. They use that antelope set trap for you. Now you just fall inside. Yakata. Now they vex. They are very angry. Their anger is overboiling. And they are after your life.
People help me. I don't want to die. Please help me.
Is that why I've been seeing animals in my dreams? They are still testing microphone. You see this one? They are just testing the mic. MC never climb stage. At all! No. Because very soon, they go begin pursue you for real life. Yes, so, and not only you go to see them. You go there like this, they walk out for road. The next thing, wow, lion go appear. You go begin run. Because not only you go to see them, nobody go to see them with you. So they go come to say you the mad. Before you know anything that happen, they go bundle you inside one psychiatric hospital or carry you go in bush forest.
Who will help me? I don't want to die. Please help me.
Ofi?
Help me.
Nanya, go and meet my brother. Now when I chop the antelope, go and meet him. My hand no dey there. I no see any antelope chop. I beg you. May we go help you.
The sexiest goddess.
Now what can be this now? Why you dey disturb me? Shebi I don't tell you why animals they pursue you for your dream. So if you know that person where you they give bush meat, go and meet that person, make it solve your problems for you. In fact, you see that person where you are and chop that antelope, where would they talk about? Go and meet them. After all, I not follow my chop them. I don't even smell the bone. So why you go come be me? We go come solve antelope problem for you and the person where chop them? You don't work like that. Who does that?
Ibobo. Biko Daju, Biko. See, every sensible person in this village knows you are the chosen one and not your brother. Yes. You see, people are even saying you are more powerful than Oyima, your mother. Yes. Please, Ibobo, you are the only one with spiritual powers that can help me. Your brother cannot help me. Biko, Yelumaka, Biko. I don't want to die.
So, you know say my brother no get power. But you can't give him bushmeat all the time. Abi? You see your life? You see your life? This is not the reason we make me the tell people say. Make them try to invest wisely where they can reap from. Make them try to connect with powerful people that can help their life. Look at you. Ejike. You have been investing your bushmeat in the wrong place. So, you cannot be working for MTN. Go to collect salary from Glo. They no go give you.
Cheating of the highest order. Cheating.
They no go give you.
Okay. Jideze. Yes. I'll get you more. I'll go to the bush. I'll get big one, big in chi. I'll give you more. But don't just abandon me because I don't want to die. Lugo Biko.
Ibobo Barayo! Barayo! Ibobo Barayo!
para ya o. Iyojo nile o mere nambu, para ya o. Wrong investment o mere nambu o, para ya o. Forgive him. He don't give us bushmeat o.
Okay, I don't forgive you. Oh, thank you very much. Thank you. Tomorrow for cleansing.
Hi, thank you.
Dalo.
Ibobuito, are you sure this bushmeat is not from the evil forest?
Wetin can concern me? If you like, make it be say this bushmeat na evil spirit himself. You go chop him, chop the spirit join. Ain't not the Chris. Hello, may we go.
Digital goddess! Digital goddess!
So what do you want from us?
Okay, I want you guys to do me a favor. You know, I know you guys are professionals in this job. That's why I called you. Okay, I've met with my doctor and he advised me to get some kind of foreplay before this can work. What I'm trying to say is this. I do not get erection. Yes. And I believe both of you can make it work. I trust you. You know, my girlfriend don't help matters at all. That's why I called you. Okay? Please, I believe you guys can do this. Just go ahead and do what you're supposed to do. Can you imagine my girl can touch me for like 30 minutes and I won't get erection?
30 minutes?
Yes, 30 minutes. What, any problem? Why are you shouting? That's the reason I called you here, to do it for me. So don't shout on my head. That is why I called you. And I'm ready to pay anything for you guys to help me out.
So what do you want us to do for you?
Okay, good question. I want you to calm down, do what you have to do. I know you guys are good in this. Touch me well. Romance me gently. Okay? Touch me softly. Make me get erection.
Well, that is not a problem. As long as you're ready to pay us well, we lick you with our tongue.
You lick me with your tongue? Like what? Oh my God. Money is not a problem. Come on, look, I will get started. I need to get erect. I can't get erection from my leg. I don't have my thing down my leg. Come on, make me get erection.
Your Majesty, we tried using force on her, and she turned herself to a naked wire. Her body shocked my hand when I tried to grab her. So we decided to arrest her worker.
That's good. So where is he right now? At least he will be able to tell us one or two things concerning what they did at Village Square.
Our car refused to start when we pushed him inside the car. Ibobo struck the car with her staff, and the car refused to start. So we brought him down for her to release the car for us.
Nonsense. These are lies. You does not have such powers.
Oh, come on, Chief Francis. You're never going to tell. Ibobo is capable of doing anything.
Francis, you were an here is my chief guard. He's under royal oath. They cannot stand here and lie before me.
I know what to do.
Supported Your Majesty.
Thank you, Your Majesty. Give me erection now. Like that.
If you want to treat high blood pressure,
Okay.
this is the herb for it. Look at it very well. You will boil it for 1 hour. Then give the person the water. 1 shot in the morning, 1 shot at night, and the blood pressure will come down.
Okay. But Mama, is there any side effects? Like if the person drink it, will he experience any strange thing if they drink it?
Sola.
Oh.
The person will sleep. Deep and long sleep. Longer than before. But when that person wakes up, the body system will come back.
Nature is powerful.
Very powerful. Hold this one. Let me bring another herb and tell you what it does.
Mother, what is happening?
This is not a good sign. What is happening? My shrine! My family temple! Gods of our land. Ibobo! What have you done? Ibobo! Ibobo!
This is hard for me. It's my trying time.
You guys have tried. You've really tried your best. But I don't think this strategy will solve my problem.
Have you been like this from birth?
No. It all started 3 years ago.
And the doctors said they can't do anything about this. Don't you think this is spiritual? You're a prince, and some people might be after your father's throne.
Exactly. Are you the only son of your father?
Yes. I'm the only son of my father. And I think you guys are making sense in what you've just said. You're really making sense. I am the heir to the throne of my father. And if I do not get erection, that means I cannot get married and have my children. And this will take the crown of my family.
Maka gidi gidi gada gada kebulalana, ey odogwe kochili.
You not see me? No, I'm asking you, did you not see me? Of course I saw you and your hype man. And with men, is there any problem? You dey mad? Something that worry you for head. If you like say you dey crazy, so you don't get sense at all. Shikini sense like this you don't have.
Oh, so you saw me walking into this compound. You not feel great. Yeah. See, more, make I tell you something. You see, for spiritual realm, I senior you. For this life, I senior you. Even in death, I go still senior you. So you see that respect when they had you to give me, you go give me that respect by fire, by force. You know you're mad. On our mom, is he laughing?
I am not joking.
Jero, I dey talk to you. You dey laugh. You know mom ko onye merry go round. You dey laugh like say no be person dey talk to you, abi? Shebi if I vex now, off this nonsense fire where you dey take cook rubbish now. At that time you go know say you no suppose for your life disrespect Bobo. Ana m ekwu ọnụ achagharị anya. Ọkwa afọ n'anya ekwe. Afọ n'anya ekwe. Afọ n'anya ekwe. Afọ n'anya ekwe.
Unavailable. Try again later. Try again later. Ibobole!
Fachọkọkọ m onyo ọkụ m ekwere anyụ. Eji m ọfọ. Eji m ọfọ. Let me tell you. All you do in life, always know your boundary. How dare you try to quench the fire that cooks the pot of Oyima dynasty? Do you want to die? I ask you, do you want to die?
This boy don't chop finish.
I am the Cheko. I don't believe say that guy fit give us this bush meat. You know say the guy stingy very well.
Forget that thing. See, no matter how stingy a man is, when it comes to spiritual matters concerning his life, he go pack stinginess for one side. Who's stinginess help?
That's true. but wait, Ibo. Those things where you tell that guy, not true. I mean, you just want to make the guy fear. No, call it bushmeat.
247.
Huh?
Who are you to me?
Which kind of question copy that one now? I may be your special assistant on domestic and spiritual matters.
Very good. Face your job. Yes. Do and well. No, they ask me anyhow question. No be everything you suppose know.
Greetings. Great one.
Mama, good afternoon. Go. Ma, come with me. Now.
The mmadụ busy no joy. Ọ bụ gịnị ka imela n'Igbo Igbo bụ na-enye nsogbu n'obodo ya bụ na onye ka anyị ya gbakwulu onye ka anyị ya kọsara obodo bi n'ụjọ. We are living in fear.
Ibo, where have you been since morning?
I be small picking. Which kind of question be that one?
You know that we always do our family procession at that shrine every morning. Ibo Zopo.
Mama, I have told you people that I am no longer a kid. So I must not join you people in your procession inside that shrine. I don't tell you before. I am Ibo Bakalia, one woman squad. I don't open my own ministry.
Will you shut up, my friend? Which ministry? How many times have I warned you to close that ministry? There's no way you can become a priestess when I'm still alive.
As you know, greed, uncle. You want make I come there, they wait, they quit. I'm banana. Look me. I'm not getting any younger. So when I want come begin make the money now, when you see them.
Wait, oh. So what you're saying in essence is that I have overstayed my welcome on earth. You wish me dead, okay? That's what you're saying.
Not me. Now you talk that one, not me talk about.
Ibobo, Akalia. Hey, drop it. Don't roast that meat here. Put it down. Ma? Put it down.
Mama, what is it? What is it again? Why are you disturbing us?
Is that thing a real bushmeat? Or you turned someone into bushmeat?
Okay, they have told you what I did at the village square. Mama, don't worry. This one is confirmed bushmeat. No be human being.
Let me say it.
Mama, it is bushmeat that Ejike gave me.
Look at even the teeth.
It's bushmeat.
I got a report at the shrine today on how you turned a human being, a young man, into a chicken. Ibobo, why are you misusing your spiritual powers?
I am not misusing my powers, Mama. It is the village people that are misusing their senses. Hachi guy, they think they have sense. How can somebody come to my ministry and decide to misbehave?
That young man did not misbehave. He only refused to give you money.
Oh, if we hear, Mama, in my dictionary, refusing to give me money after watching my show is the same thing as misbehaving.
Ibo. Henceforth, I forbid you from misusing your powers.
Mama, also forbid the villagers from misusing their senses. How to narrow sense? Anytime they misuse their senses, me too, I will misuse my power.
Don't dare me, Ibobo. Stop daring the gods. I will not warn you again.
Great one. Should I continue in roasting the bushmeat?
Hi.
Like this one, now you go call roast so I go enter around.
Want me to turn you to a goat now? Want me to turn you to a goat?
And I know come
we are living in fear. Onyegi kulanyo, onyega zaputanyo, ibo bebanyo. She got the power.
You bring mommy?
Yes, ma'am. Meat still there.
How many remain for pot?
They like it.
You put better pepper for this one?
Yes, right. I forget pepper inside. But too much.
Nah,
yes, it make body hot. Ibobo, you have to take it very easy with your mom. I have never seen that woman that angry.
I beg you. Leave that woman so she the day every day, always angry. I beg.
Always angry. I know what I saw.
What you saw is what I see every day in this house. When it comes to my matter, now so she go they para, they vibrate. At the end of the day, she not go do anything. So leave her.
Ibobo, she said you are daring the gods.
If I dare the gods, now the gods will tell me, no be my mama. After all, I dey consult with the gods every morning. Why they never tell me say I dare them? Leave my mama. She just dey talk all those things. Make she put fear for my body. Make I begin fear. She can't forget say me and her be the same level spiritually. I beg you, chop meat. Give am.
This meat sweet though.
Na grandfather meat be this.
I tell you.
I sure say this bush meat now and a wife go don born like plenty children. Educate try for this one. Hey! If dog see you now, shame go catch up.
I tell you. You tell JK make you come this evening now.
Not true. But you go quick run, go tell and say no be today again, na tomorrow. I no go enjoy this kind meal finish, come begin go do deliverance. I go kukuma just put evil spirit for him body.
Greetings, grateful.
Ada, how are you?
I'm fine.
And how is your brother?
It's fine. It seems like you went to fetch some herbs.
Yeah, I'm just coming back from Uroko Forest now. You, where are you going to?
Actually, I was on my way to your house.
My house? Hope all is well.
Yes, I just want to come and thank you and your mother for saving my brother's life the other day. I'm grateful. Thank you very much.
Ada, are you telling me that you walk under this hot sun just to come and thank I and my mother for what we should be sorry for? Eh? Please, we are really sorry for what my sister did to your brother.
You have a good heart. Is there anything I can help you with in the house?
I would have loved you to come and tell me sweet stories. I heard you were a good storyteller. But that will be in the evening, if you don't mind.
Okay,
because
no
I'll be
problem.
very busy in the house now.
Okay, no problem. I'll come in the evening.
Wow. You are so looking good. And you too. I've missed you. I missed you too, sir. You're even smelling good. You're smelling good. Come out of it. Well, how are you? I'm fine. So how is business? Business is booming. I see. We are hitting it hard. I know. Yes. You know, it's always on phone, and now I'm seeing you live. So how is the kingdom? The kingdom, we're managing, trying to represent. Everywhere is good, looking beautiful and bright. Yes, I gave it a touch of class not quite long ago. I like it. You like it? I've missed you. I missed you. I've missed you so much. Oh. Igwe! Now let me question. I'll be with you shortly. Yes? You said you wanted us to discuss something. I hope all is well. Yes. When a child is treading his father's path, soon the child will start talking like a father. The Iriji festival is soon approaching, and I want you to be present during the festival. Our people complained bitterly last time that the festival was celebrated at your absence. I want you to understand one thing. You are not just a prince. You are the heir to the throne. I tell you something. Our people will start keeping you in high reverence when they discover that you're in love with the culture. That's how they behave here.
start making out time for cultural festivals.
That I do understand you perfectly well. You know, the last time I was highly challenged when this land celebrated the Richie Festival. But, trust me, this time, I am going to be there.
Sounds good. Good to hear that. So, how is business, generally?
It's moving well. I mean, we're breaking records every day.
So far of your side.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Will you mind I send for the kitchen to bring your fill out though?
No, I just want to rest and
so, let me do some transaction with my phone.
That.
Ibobo sirike, Ibobo karaga, Ibobo sirike.
Today, I cleanse you with purified water from my sacred shrine. Whoever you have offended, man, woman, animal, trees, whoever, I invoke the ancestral pardon and I set you free from the anger of those you have offended.
See. What is going on here?
You intruder, what does it look like it's going on here?
Ibubu, don't tell me you've created your own separate shrine from our family temple. When you know our mother is still alive and active. Ibubu, how could you?
I don't blame you at all. Look at you. Empty words from a powerless spiritualist. That is what you are. See, let me tell you. I know you're just very jealous of me. Yes, so you are jealous of me and my powers. Because if you had powers, trust me, you would have left the family shrine since. But because you don't have powers, that is why you are hiding under our mother's wrapper, forming mommy's boy. Neemanya, look at me very well. I am not a mommy's pet. I am an independent woman. A one-woman squad.
Bagabru! 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 Ejike. No. Why did you interrupt this spiritual cleansing? Please, leave this place. Ejike, you are my friend. If you have any problem, you should come to me so that I will tell my mother. Instead of requesting for my sister's service when my mother is still alive. Ejike, you called yourself my friend. More. Did you hear the process you just outlined? And you want me to go through that route? Hell no. Oh. More. I will not waste my time to tell you about something you lack the powers to handle. No way. Okay, I should tell you so you go and tell your mom before I get answers. When Ibobo is here to render any service I want. For your information, More, it was Ibobo who saw me and prophesied about a problem I've never told anyone. We've been together. We drink, we eat, we do everything together. But for one day, you didn't see what I was going through. Nah, because, wa, Bocha. Just leave this place. I don't need your help. Ejike, you heard me.
Stop embarrassing yourself. Go!
Powerless.
Ejike.
Powerless man. Bocha! Bocha!
You heard him. Go before.
Bocha!
For how long will I be ridiculed as your servant? For how long will my sister make me look like a nobody? If on the villagers, just because I don't have spiritual powers. How can you be so unfair to give her such powers and left me with nothing? Look at my friend Ejike. Sees me as a useless friend because I cannot heal him. Why did you bring me into this family if you know you aren't going to give me such powers? Why am I Ayuma's child if I cannot see tomorrow? Why? Why am I Ayuma's son if I cannot see tomorrow?
Settle us, let us settle the God. Oh. What are you saying to do?
Give it to the gods.
Give it to which gods? Chero, it's like you don't understand. I don't entertain such here. I did the job, so you should give me the money. You know what I mean? Give me, I am the god. Give it to me.
There's no point hiding it. I have already seen the money. So you created your own shrine from the family's temple. This is where you lure people to extort money from them, right?
Mama, I don't extort anybody. I give them my services and they pay me for it. Simple.
Who gave you the authority to do my works in this village?
Biko. The gods did not give me power for me to just stay idle and not use it. The same powers you have is the same powers that I have too. Do your own thing, let me do my own thing. Make everybody day in day. Mama, simple. Ha.
Go, Ibubo. A stubborn fly follows the corpse to its grave. Be careful.
She got the power, she says she is the chosen one. Obodo Binojo, the fear of people. She is me, Fesa Kukofena, Obodo Bakwanon, Ibo Punono Bonuoi, Ibo Bibuanyo.
Is it food for the prince?
Yes, he asked me to make his favorite.
Oh, okay. I'm just coming from his room. He said I should get it for you.
Why would you say that?
I don't know. Or do you want to go against the prince's order?
Okay. Well.
Where is Kosi?
The king sent her on an errand
Why didn't she bring the food?
because she's not available.
And why coming close to me?
Because I want to know if you will eat before eating or after.
Now, leave my room.
Leave my room!
You're looking for me to expose.
I can see that the gods have already blessed your wife with the fruit of the womb.
Yes.
Congratulations to your family.
Thank you very much. Oima, my wife and I have come to say a big thank you for all that you have done for us. Especially the herbs that you gave to my wife some months ago. It worked like magic. It has put all our enemies to shame.
Well, you shouldn't be thanking me. You should be thanking the gods. They alone did it. Ichiofodile. I am not in the habit of collecting gifts from the people I work for. Keep the goats until your wife delivers. We will have time to sit, eat, drink and make merry by the time her baby comes. Just keep the goats for now. Let her deliver safely.
But Oima, this is just a little token to show our appreciation over what you have done for us. Please accept our gift.
Please, wise one. Please accept these goats. We will bring more once I deliver.
Exactly, Oima. You heard my wife. We are bringing more. Please.
Naya Fodile, you've heard my mother. We do not receive gifts until we are done with our work. Just go home with your wife and the goats. We'll continue to pray for her and send more herbs across. The herbs that will keep her and the baby safe.
More. I say wisdom each time you speak. Oyima has brought you up very well. Keep it up. We will go and then come back with something bigger than this when she finally puts to bed. Thank you.
Thank you, wise one. Thank you.
Where do you people think you are taking that goat to? Why not they carry and go?
What has the goat got to do with you? As for the goat, we are taking it back to our house. Your mother said you should take it back home. When my wife finally puts to bed, we can return it. That this is not the time to give her gifts.
Eh? And you believe that? Eh?
Were you expecting us not to believe the eyes of the gods?
Eyes of the gods? Ezioku. Oh, if she's the eyes of the gods, what am I? Nyash of the gods, or where? Eh? But let me ask you people a simple question. And I want a straightforward answer. In your life, have you ever seen where somebody brings something for the gods and then takes it back home? Where to go? Can you imagine? Goat that the gods have already seen with their 2 naked eyes. You now want to take it back home just like that. Who does that?
Your mother
said. Heavily pregnant woman. You have got so. You get mind. You get liver to stand and be arguing with Ibo Bakalia, the most dangerous spiritualist in this village. Madam, you better say you know one born, Abi. You know one born.
Please, I'm very sorry. I'm very sorry for arguing with you. Please, you can have the goats. Please, give her the goat. Let her go with the goats. Let her go with it, please.
Tone down, it's okay. Now you have come. It's Boto Emonese. I can see that you value your unborn child more than this small, tiny, one goat. If you ask me, you people are very stingy and very unthankful. Look at the small goat you people brought to thank the gods for giving you something that you have been seeking for since. But anyway, it's okay. Madam, you will deliver in peace.
So.
Yum, 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 yum.
Are you going with it?
No, I'm going to keep it in your house. Yeah, let's go. Come. Let's go. Come here. Come here, Isa.
Can't you see the goat has refused to go with you?
Hey, yeah. Get up. Get up. You can't mind you. What's this? You people should go now. Maybe it's you people that the goat is seeing and doesn't want to move. Go! Get on. We are where? We don't we.
We are living in fear.
You've been staring at me for a while now. What is it?
My son, I wish you were the chosen one. I wish you were the one to take over from me when I joined my ancestors.
But Mama, you're not joining your ancestors anytime soon. Please don't allow who will succeed you to bother you, please. Besides, Ibobo is doing wonders with her powers.
Doing wonders by turning human beings into animals at any slightest provocation. By extorting people with her fearful prophecies. Have you ever sat to wonder what becomes of this village when I'm no more and Ibobo takes over?
Let the gods that made her the chosen one take care of things. We can't make choices for them. Even the Christians will tell you that David wasn't that holy, yet he found favor in the eyes of the gods that he served.
More. I am not talking about David or any Christian story here. I'm talking about Ibobo. I know you will do better if you were the chosen one. I knew you would do better if you succeed me. Your loyalty, wisdom, and all will speak for you. You are the true definition of what Ibobo ought to be.
Mama, Ibobo might be stubborn, but I think she's wise, very smart. Mother, do you know how much she makes in a day? We don't see such amounts in a week, Seth. Sometimes I wonder who is wise between us and her.
Mom, don't get jealous because of how much she makes with her evil prophecies and activities. Stay with me. Let us remain on the right path. Like I said, your work will never be in vain. Okay?
Okay, Mama.
So, if they leave these people, they will carry this goat to go house. For what now? What thing they do, my mama? I be like say, suffer never tire am. Goat way fresh and fine like this. Hey, but now, why she go reject them? For what? Even the gods, they receive praises all the time. They even chop. She go just there, they do morality and spirituality nonsense. Meanwhile, nobody say she even get money. Beg you. You see this goat? I go sell them. I go carry and go market, sell them. I go use the money, buy provision for myself. Take care of myself, make I dey glow. This is 21st century. 21st century, everybody supposed wise up. I beg you. Where they go? Be very careful. Be very, very careful. Let's go. Let's go. You're shipping this thing. Don't go and reduce the size. You can never call it. Don't go and reduce the size. Let's go. Nice.
This one you are taking this black goat. Where are you taking the goat?
I was actually on my way to the market. Thank God I even saw you. I wanted to go and sell the goat.
You want to sell the goat, forgetting that I, Azoka, is a goat dealer.
Ima, when these things happen, names will disappear from your head. I didn't even remember. Maybe that is why the gods brought you out now. So that you can buy the goat. If So, how much do you price the goat?
It is better to hear from you. You are the owner, I am the buyer. When you say your price, if it's what I can afford, fine. If not, we'll go and also look at Ben Johnson.
What's be that one now? Why you see me they run? You no get problem before. So now wetin come bring this one? When this one start?
You told my brother to a foul.
Oh, now that one. Now that one. Thank the gods, thank the gods that you said your brother, not you. Because anybody will commit, that person must collect now. I know they look face so. Even if now my mother or my brother come this shop, can't commit me, I go turn them to Maggie, I go sell them, collect money, put them for my pocket, still give people change on top. Anybody will commit, suppose collect money. That one na sign and seal.
Boy, you went too far. That's my brother wrong, you made you angry. It's not enough reason for you to turn into a foul. If not for the help of your mother, my brother will still be a foul till now.
He don't do. Ada, you be fine girl, no take vex for your face. I don't need your mind. Everybody they wait. Putakene no bo. Ife di mamaka. Better soup. Na money kill mo. Ada manga fegem ya. Ada. Siam. That is smile. You and then you. It's not song now. You don't smile. Okay, that's it.
What do you want to buy?
I want to buy plenty things here. But first of all, I want to ask you one question. Is it true? Say you get milk where they make person body fresh?
Yeah, okay, you mean milk for babies? Yes, nah. We have that one now. That'll boost the milk.
I look you like say I get picky where I won't give milk. Now me they drink am. I want milk where go make my body fresh, fine. No smell anywhere.
Oh. Okay, yes, I have that one. The milk will boost your immune system so your skin will shine beautiful.
Hey! Ada, I don't lie. No, why me? Oh. I don't know why me.
It's true. Buy and see now. Yes.
Oyingwa put 3.
3. One is 3K. Oh. So if you are buying 3, that is 9,000 naira. Do you want to spend that much?
I don't know say it's cheap like that. Put 5. Put crate of egg. Put carton of noodles. Put in fact, Ada, pack everything where you know we go make my skin dey fresh. As you see me so now, I want turn to digital Igbo. No skin pain. You understand? Yeah? Money no be problem. Pack and they come. Pack and they come. Okay. Carry money.
When a woman is bleeding after childbirth, what is the best herb to administer to her? The one that will stop the bleeding immediately.
When it comes to bleeding, there's this herb that the fingers are like this.
Okay.
I'll show you when we go to the bush.
Okay.
It is like magic. It stops it.
Eje. Nna, you will help me and carry them inside. Son, don't worry. Don't be front face. I will give you something. Eh? Hi. Well, let's go. Apple again. This apple that you people eat every day in this house. Una no dey tire? Eh? No wonder more always looks like somebody obara guna ho. Eh? Na cha mano. Eh? Look at you. Chineke nna.
Look at you. Have you checked yourself to know how you look like? You that don't eat apple. Eh? Tell me how fresh you look like.
Look at the skin. It's again. Bia. Mo. Are you talking to me? It's like you're mad though. Do you want to die? Or you want me to turn you to that Ifiku you just mentioned now? Use it to clean my nyash.
Will you shut up? Shut your mouth. What is your problem? Eh? The fact that you are spiritually stronger than him does not mean you can harm him. More here is protected by the Oyima dynasty. So there's nothing you can do to him. Don't even try.
Oh, Akamasi, no. Hey, now I understand what happened the other day.
Oh. You even tried?
Am I mad? No. I can't try that. But Mama, this apple that you people eat morning, afternoon, night. You know the tire now. You change the smell of the whole environment, and then you bring flies from different corners of the village to this house. You know the tire. You know the tire. Ha!
See, let me tell you, we have millions of people out there praying to have something like this to eat. We are not ignorant. We appreciate what the gods have given us.
Did you do wedding with poverty? Because anytime this topic comes up, you must find one or two excuses to justify poverty and suffering.
We are in this village. We'll be watching how they will disgrace you. You think this thing you are doing will last forever? It should not last forever. You will see how they will disgrace you now. Cheraka Orom.
Come on, remove that apple smelling hand or say so can fool. Bet with you. As Onye, as who? As a mama, I should come and bet with somebody that takes pride in suffering and poverty. Not me and you. Anyway, since you people enjoy suffering, enjoy your poverty. Mama, hey! Let me go and hustle. I know they will not level.
Hey, come here. Where did you get the money you used to buy that massive thing?
Mama, let her go. I believe she must have extorted those money from the villagers.
She got the power. She says she is the chosen one. Bobodobi.
You ready? Yeah. Good. Ready.
So, remember all that we have discussed. Always remember to return for our cultural festivals.
That is okay, I will. I've heard you. Dad, there is something I've been wanting to ask you. Okay. Is there anyone you know that will want to harm me just to take over the throne when you must have joined your ancestors?
Because who is after you? What are you going through?
That is okay. It's okay. I can handle it.
Sure you can handle this? If there's anything that makes you feel that way, tell me, because I can't think of anyone who is plotting to dethrone me. But you can bear your mind so we can think together and plan.
That it's okay, don't worry yourself, okay? Like I said, I can handle it. Let me run along so I will miss my flight. I wish you thank you. Is the car ready?
Yes, the car is ready.
Okay, let's go. Dad,
Yeah, buddy.
you take care of yourself for me.
It's hard for me, getting a messy frame. We are living in fear. Onyegi kulanyo, onyega zaputanyo, ibo mebwanyo. She got the power. She says she is the chosen one. Obodo binojo, the fear of people. She is mean. Fesa kukwefena, obodo bakwanon, ibo punono bonui, ibo bebwanyo. Jai, the madu busy no joy. Obogene kaimeleti ibo godo, ibo bonye so se trouble them. Jai, yapuno nekani ya bakulu, onekani ya kosalan. Obodo binojo, we are living in fear. onye ga-ekwula anyị onye ga-azọpụta anyị Igbo megbu anyị She got the power, she says she is the chosen one. Obodo Pinocho, the fear of people. She is mean, Fesa Kukwefena. Obodo Pakwanon, Ibo Bonono Bonui, Ibo Biwanyo. The mother is in no joy. Obugene ka imeleti Ibo Ibo so trouble Ibo ya buno nyekani ya bafulu onyekani ya kasala obodo binujo we are living in fear onye ga-ekwula anyị onye ga-azọpụta anyị Igbo megbu anyị
Elders of our land, I hope there is no problem. I hope all is well.
All is not well, Onyema. Your daughter has turned this kingdom upside down. Your daughter has become the new colonial master in this village. She goes to the market, command the women to give her money and foodstuffs or face her up. Her constant misuse of powers is becoming a major concern to the king and we, the elders in council.
It's okay. I will talk to her.
It is not a matter of talking to her, my priestess. We do not have time for such nonsense any longer. You have to appear with her at the palace immediately.
Mind your word, Ichie Edoga. My mother is not Ibubo and cannot be harassed for another person's sin. You all see her every day, even in the market square, the village square, even around the palace. Why did you send the palace guard to arrest her?
Calm down, Mom. The king sent Aniago and guards to go and arrest Ibubo. But they couldn't arrest her because of her spiritual powers.
And how is that my mother's business? Huh?
It's okay, Mom. It's okay. I will bring her to the palace once she returns. Huh? Meanwhile, send my regards to the king and the throne.
We will do that. We'll do just that. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Have you seen what Igbo has cost us? She has turned the whole villagers against us.
Well, there's no problem. I will cut her feathers before she flies so high and urinates on my head. What can happen?
She got the power, she says she is the chosen one. Obodo Pinocho, the fear of people. She is mean, Fesa Kukwefena.
Collect that, go to the color. Yeah, Ada.
Isn't the great pride?
No, my name.
Ada? Any problem? No. There's no problem for now. Yeah? But there will be problem if you do not do what I want to ask you to do now. What is that? Ada, my clothes are dirty. Very dirty. You can't run in that. So I want you to carry this water now and follow me to the house. When we get there, I will bring out my clothes so that you can wash them for me. If you say water, whatever.
I cannot do that too. Okay, I have to fill our pot with drinking water. Yeah, I cannot.
Ada, do you want me to turn you to water? Now. As in, do you want me to use my powers on you?
No, answer now. It's your magic.
No.
Do you want to see magic?
No, please don't tell me to anything. I'll follow you.
Come on, follow me. Priestess, you get my
we are living in fear. Onyeki kulanyo, onyeka zaputanyo, ibo mekwanyo. She got the power. She says she is the chosen.
What are you doing here with a bucket of water on your head?
How is it your business?
Ataya.
I see your business.
The Baba saw me on the way coming back from the stream. She asked me to come and watch her clothes, or she told me to water.
When the villagers become your slave, that you can see someone coming back from the stream and order her to follow you to this house to wash your dirty clothes, what happened to your two hands?
Oh my right.
Wait, okay, see, if you are too busy or big to wash them, why can't you send this your useless servant to wash it?
Hey, yeah. I was thinking, more. I go run and tell you now. That useless kill you, the idiot. That mean they call you want your brother. I go finish you now.
What is it? What's the problem?
Mama, see you. Adaya was coming back from the stream to fetch water for her parents, only for Igbo to order her to come here to wash her dirty clothes. What kind of wickedness is that now?
Oh my right.
Let's come over you.
Let's go.
Eh? What has come over you? The elders were here. Where were you? And where did you get the money to buy all these things your servant brought here?
Hey, you're getting Mama. What is all this one now? So many questions at the same time. Okay, Mama, make una take am easy. Your body say mother ke ha na ada. Ah.
So it is true. Hey, Bobo. So it is true that you go to the village market and threaten vendors to give you foodstuff or money, or they face your wrath. Ah,
oh my right.
You have become a village bandit. Yes, that is what you are. Anyway, the king wants to see you.
Why?
When you get there.
Talk now. You dey crazy. You where you dey?
Hey.
Where you dey the talk? Where you dey the talk that nonsense?
It's okay. This is no time to fight your brother.
Mami, in a pasha. Eh? Why do you always support Mo even when he does something bad? Well, he said that the gods are punishing me for my sins. You did not say anything of it, Nolia.
Why would I say so? Since you decided to become a terrorist in the village.
Nobody terrorist. You hear that one now?
Mom, shut up. Just keep quiet. How can you do? 247.
Mommy,
please leave us. We want to have a small family meeting.
No go outside, go there, run your mouth too. No go tell anybody say I don't blind. No make person no hear am. If you try am or anybody hear am, I go strike you with madness once I begin see.
I promise.